if you're a new content creator trying to grow here on YouTube, because we all are trying to grow here on YouTube. So this video is for you if you're trying to grow. So number one is, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So today I'm going to be teaching you a few ways and a few steps to grow your channel if you're a new content creator trying to grow here on YouTube, because we all are trying to grow here on YouTube. So this video is for you if you're trying to grow. So number one is your content strategy. So what I mean by content strategy is you try to know what you want, what your audience wants, and what you need to do, all the stuffs like that. So that is that. Then number two is you have to pick a niche. Try to pick a niche. Pick what you know you're good at. Pick what you know your audience. Pick what you know people want to do. People want to watch. Like people want to watch their niche, like cooking niche, how to do stuff niche. I think how to do, people really search for that a lot. Gaming, technology and all that, how to make money. I think they pay more on YouTube. So that you need to know. You get that, you need to know. So number three is your target audience. You need to target the audience. You need to target people, what people like to watch on your channel. But for me, I'll advise, if you're a content creator who is trying to grow, who just started growing on YouTube, all you have to do is you post different niche. You just post anything, any content that comes to your mind, to your brain, to your thinking. You post any of them. So once you're done posting this, once you post, all you have to do is you try to read in between the line, like the videos that gave you more views, the video that gave you more views, the videos that gave you more subscribers. You have to check for that. So once you are able to note the ones that is very, very lucrative for you, the one that is paying you well, the one that has more views, then I would rather advise you to dive into that particular niche. You understand? So number four is consistency. What do I mean by consistency? Is like posting. You have to be consistent. Like you have to do it all the time. Like you have to be punctual. Like target the time your audience are always out there watching your videos. You need to target this. You need to target when they like to watch, when they come online, when they go offline. You understand? And whenever you're posting, I would rather prefer you post at a particular time. Like this is the time you're always posting your video. If you're posting by 9 a.m, make sure all your videos go by 9 a.m, because this also triggers the YouTube algorithm. It's like when you keep posting consistently, they know this person is ready. It's not like you post this week, then before you post again, maybe in the next 1 month or in 2 weeks time, it just seems as if you're not serious. But for some people, they are lucky. When they post once in a month, they still get that view. You understand? So we all are not the same. Some people come on YouTube as early as 1 month, boom, they are blown. Sure, you understand? So we all are not the same. So number five is your video quality. Yes, that is very, very important. Try to use a very good camera for your videos. If you don't have a good camera, you can try to use a good editing app. There are lots of good editing app out there. CapCut is one of them. You can do as much as you want to. All you have to do is to subscribe for the pro program. Yeah, for the pro ones. So once you subscribe to pro, you can edit your video as far as you want. You can edit your video, like when you edit your video, to be looking so peng, like no one will even know the type of phone you use in editing your video. So number six is hook your you have to hook your audience. Like the first 3 to 10 seconds of your video, it must be like you have to get them hooked. You have to get them hooked in your video. Like you have to convince them like, this video, you need to watch this video, this video is for you, so you need to watch this video. You try to make your first 10 seconds catchy, so they can be retained, so they don't have to watch your video to like 10 seconds and then they just boom, they move away like, I don't want to watch this video again and all of that. Here, you understand. So number 7 is a good audio and visuals. So your audio, always make sure to clear noise background. You can also clear noise background from your editing apps. You understand? Always make sure your audio is clear sound and loud. Yes, and before posting your videos, always make sure the editing is like the editing. Try to watch your video, because most people don't get to watch their own videos before posting. They just post the video, and it's after posting the videos maybe they have views. And most times when you post videos that you don't watch, that has commas, like maybe the audio is muted, you tend to get more views on such videos. But since the audio is bad, you will not people will not want to watch it to the end, and that will definitely bring you down a bit. So your storytelling should be very, very strong. Like whatever you're saying, you have to convince people like, this your storytelling, it should be very, very sweet. If possible, put sugar in your mouth and sugar coat everything, so it will be very, very sweet to their ears, so they can listen. And one of the most important one is your thumbnails and your caption. Your thumbnails and caption needs to be catchy. If you don't know how to edit thumbnail, all you have to do is try to go through. You can, if you don't know how to edit thumbnails, you can go to Canva. Canva has a lot of templates you can choose from. Then you just add your finishing touches. You put it the way you want to put it. So if you don't know how to create your own thumbnail, just go to Canva. There are apps like that also, which can help you out in such cases. If you don't know how to edit, always interact with your audience. Try to interact with your audience, no matter how little, because no matter what, you have to interact with your audience. What do I mean by interacting with your audience? It simply means when people comment on your videos, instead of dropping that love emoji, try to say something sweet to them. You understand? Even if someone drops a love emoji on your video, try to also respond to their comments, because this makes YouTube to know that you are active, you appreciate them for watching your video, not just staying dumb like you don't even care, you don't want them to watch your video and all of that. You understand? You ignoring their comments simply means you don't appreciate them. So learn to be appreciative. Try to appreciate your audience. Try to post even when you're not in the mood to post. Try to post shorts, polls, or posts. You understand? Try to post these things. They really help you grow your YouTube channel. I think with these few things that I've said, and if you're willing to grow your channel, please drop a comment in the comment section, so we all can connect together, because we are all trying to grow here on YouTube. So nobody is the master here. So I'll see you guys on my next video, and if you have any questions, you drop it in the comment section. Bye bye, guys.